to make your Facebook profile private on mobile. So if you want to make your Facebook profile private on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now after opening your Facebook, make sure that you're on your Facebook profile. In my case, I'm just on my Facebook page. So I'll just simply go and switch to my profile. Now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Tap on it and then you need to tap on settings. Now if you want to make your Facebook profile private, then you need to just scroll down and then under audience and visibility, you need to go with how people can find and contact me. And here, who can send you friend requests, you need to select only friends of friends and then save. And who can see your friend list, you can select only me and go with save. And scroll down again. And here on the bottom, you need to select don't receive message request for each and every section. And then go with post section, and under post, who can see your future post, you need to go and select only me, go with save. You can also limit your past post. And in this way, your audience will automatically decrease. It will be changed. Now you can also go with your stories, and under who can see your stories, you can go and select only me, or you can also select custom or only your friends and go with save. Now once you've done all of these settings, like all of your audience and visibility settings, you need to go and set it to private or only your friends. Once you do that, the other thing you can do is go with the profile, which is on the top, and here on the right side you need to tap on the 3 dots, and then you will have an option of lock profile. So you need to go and lock your profile. If you've turned on your professional mode, then you won't be able to lock your profile. So first you need to turn off your professional mode and then go with the same section, and you will find an option of lock profile right here. You need to just go and simply tap on it and your profile will be locked. In this way, you'll be able to make your Facebook profile private on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.